Hi guys, in this video we will cover string methods, but before we start on string methods I just want to revisit objects, and most importantly the fact that objects have things called properties and methods, because we're later going to do string methods and I want you to understand what are methods. So for example, we have this object person, and I created this object by simply putting these things inside the curly braces, and these are the properties. So properties, if you recall, are basically key value pairs. Name is the key and Greg is the value. Age is the key, 18 is the value. Education is the key, graduate is the value. Now loves is different. Basically I've created a function, and this function, when you use person, what the person loves, it console.logs out this array. Okay, so let me show you this, what I mean. So console.log, first I'm gonna console.log out a property, person.name. So now let's just see what value comes out over here. So you see Greg is what's returned over here. Now if I want to do console.log person.loves, okay. Now one important thing, because this is a method, don't forget to put these brackets, these round brackets, okay. Let me just show you. If I don't put the round brackets and I just try to invoke it, okay, it still appears but it's not correct. Whereas if you were to do like this, now you see over here, you get the array spread out. So you see music, pizza, sleeping. So you get the entire array details. So this is how we're going to use string methods. Now I'll start on string methods. Alright, so what I've done now here is I've created a variable, and the variable name is sunName, and I've assigned it the value of Mike, which is a string. So if you take a look, I've console.log this out. So I've combined the string plus the type of method, and if you take over here, so you see the var sunName is type of string. Now by right in JavaScript, string data type is a primitive, and primitive do not have any of the capabilities that an object have, which is the properties and the methods. However, what JavaScript does behind the scenes is it still treats string as an object. Okay, so what does that mean? So this variable sunName, which is a string, you will see that there are actually a variety of methods, string methods appearing, which I can use for this string, which by right, as I mentioned, is a primitive value and it should not be having any properties or methods assigned to it, but there are still there, as you can see. So for example, let's suppose we want to change this to uppercase. Okay, now what's going to happen over here is that if I try to console.log this out now, so I'm going to console.log this out, and you will see that, don't forget this is a method, so you need to put those round brackets, and I do a refresh, and you see, so what has happened is this Mike, which was a mix of upper and lower case, is now turned completely into uppercase. So this is how you use string methods. Now I'll give examples of a couple of various type of string methods. Now the very first method that is available is to find out the length of the string. So if I want to find out, sorry, what's wrong with my typing, console.log, so sunName dot length. Okay, now length is actually, as you can see here, it's a property, it's not a method, so we don't need to put the round brackets behind it. So I just do refresh, and you can see over here the length of the string is 4. Now I'm going to explain another string method, which is called indexOf. So I've created a new variable called burger, and I've just written down where is my cheese in my cheeseburger. So what indexOf does is it helps to identify where did a particular word start in your string. For example, so I want to console.log out, and I want to know where is the word cheese appearing first. Okay, so we use console.log. okay, so the variable burger, we put that first, then we use the dot. Now you will see the various methods appearing. Okay, let's see if it is there already. So indexOf. Okay, so if you were to just do indexOf, and if you forget to put the round brackets, now if you just click that, you see it just spits out the actual function itself without giving you the result that you did desire. So you need to put indexOf, then inside this you need to mention what exactly you want to locate. So I want to locate where does the word cheese appear first. Okay, so refresh now, and you see it comes as 12. So in how computers read indexes, they start from 0. So unlike humans, we start counting as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Computers, they start with 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So even the space is counted as something that is part of the index. So the word cheese is the 12th in this entire string. Now another useful JavaScript method that I'm going to explain is called slice. So slice, what it does is it helps to chop up your string as per the index that you specify. For example, burger. So wait, sorry, console.log and burger the variable. Now I want to slice it, so you can see the slice method appears over here. Now if you notice, right, so the slice method, it asks for two parameters. One is the start and one is the end. So if you are clear at which position you want the string to be sliced off with, so in the example of above, right, we know cheese started at 12, so let's just start with 12. So everything from position 12 will get sliced off. So just take a look, and yeah, so you see over here the variable burger is actually where is my cheese in my cheeseburger, but now what's coming on the console is only cheese in my cheeseburger. If you wanted to specifically slice off, you know, that your start and end value, you can specify that over here. So it becomes, for example, 12 and 18, just random, and you see over here, so just cheese is coming because cheese starts from the 12th position and ends with the 18. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, so it's captured cheese and probably space as well. Now you can also use slice to slice the string backwards. So let me just show you. Console.log slice, put the round brackets. Now in when you want to do negative or basically slice the string backwards, the position is that starts from the right at the back is -1. So it's unlike from when we start at the front from the left. Here the position is 0. It starts 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But from the end of the string, the position actually starts from -1. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Okay, so suppose I want it to slice everything from -12 onwards. So just specify -12, and you see what I will get is, oh, I made a mistake. I need to add the variable to method, right? Yeah, so just hold on and let me refresh. Yeah, so you see cheeseburger. Okay, there's another thing I can do, which is I want to start from cheeseburger, but I only want to slice a certain portion of it. For example, maybe 5 words. So that means plus 5. So I would end at -7. So let's see what happens. So yeah, you see I only get cheese. So this is how you use slice with negative indexing.